Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone Y38 5G. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.68 inches HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, 1000 nits peak brightness, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 85.1% screen to body ratio, approximately 264 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, scratch resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear. That includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78 plus 1.95 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76 by 7.99 mm, and it weighs around 199 grams, and the color options ocean blue, dark green, black colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 44-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With AI Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, IP64 dust and water resistant, notification LED round light on the back, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y38 5G has been expected priced for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at around $200. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Vivo Y38 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.